I couldn't touch my toes for years. My body felt tight, stiff, and stuck. But with this simple 4 exercises, everything changed. Today, I will show you exactly how you can go from can't reach to full toe touch. For years, I couldn't touch my toes. Every time when I tried, it felt impossible. Tight hamstrings, stiff lower back, and a lot of frustration. But touching your toes isn't just about flexibility. It's about freedom of movement and better posture. That's why we are doing this, to help you move pain-free and to finally achieve that full toe touch you have always wanted. Today, I will take you through 4 simple but powerful exercises that transform my flexibility. We will focus on progressive stretching, mobility, and active control, not just passive reaching. Here's what we will do together. Seated forward fold with bend, downward dog heel pedals, standing pancake, and Jefferson curl. So, if you have ever said, I cannot touch my toes, stick with me because after this session you will be a lot closer than you think.
Sit on the floor with legs completely straight in front of you. Keep your back straight and shoulder relaxed. Put your toes to be pointed up. Take a band and put it around your feet. Then pull the band and slowly start bending forward. Hold this position for 10 seconds and then relax. Repeat this movement 8 to 10 times. Start in downward dog. Feet hip wide apart, hands on the floor, shoulder wide apart. Hips lifted high to form an inverted V shape. Head between your arms looking at your legs or knees. Start pedaling, bending one knee, then other one, putting the heel down on the floor. Put the timer on 45 seconds and repeat movement. Stand with legs wide, then shoulder wide. Toes pointed straight forward, not turned out. Keep the legs straight. Fold forward, hinging from your hips. Lower your torso down toward the floor. Reach your hands toward the ground, your feet or ankles, whatever is comfortable. Your hips stay square, facing forward. Don't rotate them outward. Hold stretch for 5 to 8 seconds, then slowly move back up. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times. Stand on small box or stepper with feet wide. Hold light weights in front of your legs. Put your chin to the chest and slowly bending your spine, start moving down. Start from the neck, then upper back, mid back, lower back. Let the weight pull you down. Go as far as your hamstrings and mobility allow. You should feel a deep posterior chain stretch. Pause at the bottom and then slowly reverse the movement till you reach start position. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times.
When I started, I couldn't touch my toes. But look, small, consistent effort creates big result. If you felt the difference today, imagine what a week or month could do. Keep stretching, stay consistent, and your body will reward you. And if you're ready for your next challenge, check this video right here. We'll take your flexibility to the next level.